Hey y'all, welcome back to Overlook Valley Homestead. Mark
Shannon.
and oh no, guess what she done talked me into. This is gonna be a short video. We're just gonna show you what we're into today, and so let's just get with it, right?
Yep.
All right, here it is. It's that time of year. We're getting ready to put chickens in, and we went and got the chick starter, and she just had to have some more, right?
Mm-hmm.
So can't get enough chicks.
No.
I don't know how he's gonna do with it, but we'll just have to see. These little feeders are just awesome for the chicks. I guess I'm glad we kept them. I didn't think we have any more chicks. Who was I kidding? So we found that you can buy a 50-pound sack of the chick starter for $20, and the smaller, I don't even know what it is, maybe 8-pound or something bag, is like $8.99. So and you'll use a 50-pound bag. So all right, so they got feed and water. Now we just need little baby chickens, right?
Yep.
So I gotta go get them.
Okay.
She's all excited about this. She's been at me for about 2 weeks about getting baby chicks, and I was trying to wait out the cold, but you know how it is. Like, you gotta let them have it. All right, so we'll get the chicks in here and we'll show you that. There they are. Brand new little babies. So tell them what you got this time.
I got 3 Americanos, which I think that's what this one is.
They lay the colored eggs, or some people call them Easter eggers, but Americanos.
And then I got 2 of the Isa.
Isa Browns.
That might be what.
Or Ima Brown. It's something like that. I think it's Isa Brown.
That might be what this one is.
So.
He's not going. Go. That's an Easter egger. Back up.
Yeah. He's checking them out, ain't he? He's going to be a handful, ain't he?
Yeah.
It's a good thing we got this lid. Show him that lid you got behind you. We made this lid last time, so we'll be putting that on there. Keep this little fella out, which he stays outside most of the time, but he likes to come in at night and hang out. But anything new, he seen me bring the bag of feed in, so he thought it was cat food, I guess. But now he's in here checking them out.
What you think, Jingles?
What you think about the chicks?
It's not food, okay?
Look like chicken nuggets to you, don't it?
It's not. They're just little babies. I think that's a...
It'd be kind of hard to tell till they get a little bit bigger, but we got a couple in there that's kind of noisy.
Yeah.
What were the last 3 you got?
The white ones...
They're Rhode Island Red. Oh.
I think this one might be the Americana.
No, the Americanas are the ones with the black on them, I think. We got three straight run Rhode Island Reds, because we don't have a rooster here on the homestead, and so maybe out of the 3, chances are we'll get a rooster, so hopefully we may end up with more than one rooster, but we'll see what we got. But there's new little babies.
I think they're a little traumatized.
She's a happy girl.
Mm-hmm.
So
I am.
You know what they say about that. Got it. So let's these things grow, and We'll do an update as time goes on. Looks like one finally might have found the water there. So we might have to move the feed bowl out here somewhere. Excuse me. Let me move that. That way they can have their warm spot here. And they'll get under the light as they need to and get further away from the light as they need to. So
I think they're falling asleep.
we really didn't just plan this. We actually went to Tractor Supply to get some landscaping timbers for the garden. Or not, we went to Home Depot and we had to stop back by Tractor Supply to get an end to fix the water hose, and
They were calling
we ended up with these. So anyways, it's just a short little video. We're just gonna show you what we're into right now. So thank y'all for watching, and like and subscribe. If you want to help our channel out, just watch the video all the way through and hit that thumbs up. That really helps us out. And we'll see y'all next time when we get into another adventure. So God bless y'all.
Bye.
Bye bye.